Remember the days before Spotify, Netflix, and online gaming? Back then, consumers bought physical copies of music, movies, and video games from the store. But times have changed. Digital subscription-based services are replacing or augmenting physical products in almost every industry. In automotive, for example, companies are developing new subscription-based business models. This enables concepts such as mobility as a service, which allows drivers to pay for usage rather than vehicles. Now, your business has reached a crucial turning point. How can you give your customers what they want before your competitors do? How will you price your new subscription-based offerings? And how do you keep all the regular payments turning over in the background? SAP Billing and Revenue Innovation Management Solutions form the engine for innovating your business model in the subscription-based economy. They enable you to bring new offerings to market in less time, accelerate cash collection, and quickly design and modify pricing models. So instead of selling products, you can now offer your customers what they really want: positive outcomes. And you can build customer relationships that are longer lasting and more profitable. Keep on rolling in the subscription-based economy with SAP Billing and Revenue Innovation Management.